following video illustrates a high technological innovation made in Toronto, Canada by Everforce Energy. It incorporates power with a magnetically transduced generator. This generator has a capacity of 20.1 kilowatts that can be scalable up to 300 megawatts and more. Our magnetic transduced generator, also known as MTG, has a lifetime of 75 years and is considered the most environmentally friendly source of energy. Producing no sulfate or carbon emissions, 10 kilowatt MTG can supply the power requirements for 2 detached homes for 75 years. A 20 megawatt MTG can supply the power requirements for 12,800 homes for 75 years, and a 1,000 megawatt MTG configuration can supply the power requirements for 640,000 homes for 75 years. The output of the MTG is dependent on two factors: the strength of the magnets and the gauge of the copper wire used in the assembly. The MTG is made up of aluminum earth magnet bearings that contain 52 magnetic turbines that can be accessed and transported with ease, requiring minimum maintenance. This revolutionary machine is achieved by the design of Everforce Energy's respected team of engineers and partners that possess an extensive amount of physical, mechanical, and electronics backgrounds. The fundamentals of the MTG is based mainly on the design of various electronic components working in a specific manner and are associated with a low amp force of the magnetic components. Everforce Energy's magnetic transducer generator is based on the patent number 278820. This car engine was invented in Toronto, Canada in 2015, and lately we have done a lot of modifications on this engine and is now in the final stage of patent and production. Specifications. This engine placed in a car could attain speeds of up to 802 kilometers per hour and would only consume 4 to 5 amps. Therefore, it can drive you from Qatar to Kuwait or from Toronto to New York City 30 times on a regular car battery, and the battery would charge itself. However, the speed could be reduced for other requirements. This model can be utilized for cars, airplanes, rickshaws, and many other applications. It can also be used for boats and ships. This new technology uses almost the same concept as high-speed trains where magnets lift the train from its track. This model does not emit any radiation or heat. This model can be easily moved and installed anywhere. It is safe, green, and environmentally friendly. This device is cheaper than any other motor engine. This motor can work in all environment conditions such as 100 degrees Celsius to minus 100 degrees Celsius. This engine can be transferred to any new car modeled body, and it does not need a drop of oil. Please note that there is nothing free from the fundamental laws of physics, so this machine will consume magnetic fields. The life of this magnet is 400 years. It will be consumed for 75 years. Therefore, this magnet must be replaced every 75 years. This high-tech engine will revolutionize the world and is the game changer the Earth has been waiting for. This technology is called magnetic inducer engine.